to town.
Ready for adventure?
Who's that kid who can travel through time?
Xavier Riddle and the Secret Museum.
Which great heroes will we find?
Xavier Riddle and the Secret Museum.
Every single boy and girl has what it takes to change the world. Xavier Riddle and the Secret Museum. Right.
Angelina!
And the Secret Museum. Dr. Zoom and the Secret Museum.
Xavier Riddle and the Secret Museum. Shh. Hey there, glad you're here. Today, we're going to meet real-life nurse Florence Nightingale.
Nurses are people who help others when they're sick or hurt. And Florence Nightingale taught us lots about how to help people feel better. Like how to put a bandage on a boo-boo.
And how important healthy food is when you're trying to get better.
And how fresh air is good for you. Too much fresh air!
Maybe we'll just start the show!
Hey guys, ready to go to school?
Yep.
No.
Yadina has the
Hiccups. Today I'm supposed to tell my whole class about something I find very important. But how can I if I'm upping?
Don't worry, Yadina. Hiccups always go away. Eventually.
Yeah. So, what important thing are you talking to your class about? Chocolate chip cookies.
Uh-oh.
I need these cups gone.
Okay, I think I've heard of a few cures like... Boo!
Whoa! Let's try something else.
Holding your breath will totally cure your hiccups.
It worked! Xavier and Brad are the greatest. That one we might have made up. Dr. Zoom is not amused.
Okay, I'd say it's time for the Secret Museum.
Yeah. Are you sure time travel is good for hiccups? Guys?
I wonder who the Secret Museum will send us to meet.
And where we'll go. And where? Look out!
Hi, Burby.
Hi, Ruby. Hi, Ruby. Hi, Max.
We're getting something.
What is it? A lamp?
How's a lamp gonna help you with the hiccups? Sorry, Burby. It's true. You do always know best.
Hey, look!
Florence Nightingale. That's who we're going to meet.
In England, in the year 1830. That's almost 200 years ago. I hope this lady with the lamp can help me with my...
Only one way to find out. Ready for adventure?
Ready. Ready as I'll ever be. Which is never, by the way. Here we go!
It's happening!
Hang on, Dr.
So this is England in 1830. It's a little,
Creepy? Oh, Brad.
Oof. Hey, what is that?
The Secret Museum scaring the hiccups out of all of us forever? Wait, that's Florence Nightingale.
Good morning. I hope it didn't frighten you. 'Tis oddly foggy out.
Frightened? No. Right, guys? Ah! Monster plant!
Don't worry, you're in my garden. I planted everything here myself. It's all very safe, unless you're allergic.
Achoo! Ah! What are you doing?
Making a book on how some plants can be made into lotions and medicines to help people.
Do you have any plants that could cure my sister's hiccups? She, I don't know if you noticed, but...
I'm not sure. I don't know how to cure the hiccups, at least not yet. But I do have a book that might help. It's important to help others the best you can. And that means learning how to help the right way.
What?
Oof! Whew. This might help. Here's a handkerchief.
Amazing fact! And a cool one. A handkerchief is like a tissue that you can use over and over again.
What was that? That sounds like my neighbour's dog. It is. Hello, Pup. Are you okay?
Sorry, Flo, he can't play today. He's had a sore paw for a few days now.
Aww.
Poor dog, that's so sad. Do you know anything about sore paws, Florence Nightingale?
I think so. But I want to check my books at home first.
Great, we can work on my hiccuping problem later.
Are you sure, Yadina?
Oh, yeah. Helping a hurt doggy is super important business.
Don't worry. We'll be back as soon as we know the best way to help you.
Flo, how's this?
Perfect. Those will work great as bandages. Now, where is that book that shows the best way to put them on?
Hey, what is that? They're all wearing capes. Are they all superheroes like Dr. Zoom?
No, they're sick, and it's contagious. That means it can spread to others. But only other dolls.
Phew.
I'm keeping them warm and rested. I learned that from a book about helping people with the flu. I want to help others as best I can. There you go. Nighty-night.
Is that what I think it is?
Yes, my pet. I nursed him back to health when he was just a baby. Now he lives in my room as my faithful nurse assistant. I've taught him every single thing he knows, or at least how to find the bits of cheese I've hid about.
Oh, that is so cute.
Look at his little face.
Okay, that is pretty cute. And just like my little mouse, we must nurse my dog friend back to health. But I can't find my book. Here, let's go check my father's library.
How come Flo doesn't ask her mom or dad to look up how to help that dog on the computer?
Amazing fact. Computers didn't exist yet in the year 1830.
Aha! Found it! Here it is. When putting bandages on a patient, they must be sanitized and changed often.
Sanitized?
That means we have to clean them very, very well.
How do we do that?
Oh, I remember reading that bandages can be sanitized by putting them in boiling water. We'll need more bandages, and I'll ask my mother to help with the boiling water part. Let's go!
We'll get the bandages.
Wee-oo, wee-oo.
Here you go. He's going to need a new one put on every day.
And don't forget to gently clean his paw before you put it on.
I will, and thank you, all of you.
There you go, pup. All done. Feel better?
Yes.
He feels better.
It worked.
Oh, I had no idea it was so important to keep bandages clean.
I had no idea helping felt so good.
Me neither. Oh.
Helping people always feels good. It's proof of just how important it can be to help people as best you can.
I
Still have the hiccups.
Don't worry. We'll take it from here.
We can go to the library before school and probably find a real cure for hiccups.
That's great. Don't forget to use your handkerchief.
Oh, that's okay. I think my allergies are gone.
Burby, let's go home. Okay, let's split up and find that hiccup cure.
Hey, I found it!
I'm okay.
And then take a sip of water. With your ears plugged, you drink a whole bunch of water, and that's how you get rid of hiccups.
Nice. Instead of talking about chocolate chip cookies, Yadine is helping more people by sharing what we learned. Very Florence Nightingale of her.
And the secret of the best cookie flavor is safe with us. We can help with that. To the rescue!
Wasn't it amazing meeting Florence Nightingale?
People called her the Lady of the Lamp because she used a lamp like this one.
And she wrote lots of books showing more nurses how to help others the right way.
Thanks for joining our awesome adventure to meet Florence Nightingale.
Who used to be a kid just like you and me.
So kids like you can change the world.
I'm Xavier.
I am Brad.
I am Yadina, and we will always help others as best we can, just like Florence Nightingale.